Did you know your skin has different needs in the morning and at night? Understanding these differences can transform your skincare routine. Your morning routine is all about protection. Your skin faces pollution, UV rays, and environmental stressors throughout the day. That's why lightweight hydration and sun protection are key. Morning essentials: gentle cleanser, removes overnight oil buildup. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and green tea, fights free radicals. Lightweight moisturizer locks in hydration sunscreen, SPF 30+, shields against UV damage. Your night routine focuses on repair and deep hydration. While you sleep, your skin regenerates, making this the best time for nourishing ingredients. Night essentials: double cleansing, removes makeup, dirt, and SPF. Serum treatment, such as retinol, niacinamide, or AHAs, targets skin concerns, hydrating or repairing moisturizer. Supports overnight recovery. Now that you know the difference, let's go step by step through the perfect morning and night routine. Here's the ideal morning routine to start your day right. Cleanser, removes oil and impurities. Toner, balances pH and preps skin for the next steps. Serum, use antioxidants like vitamin C to brighten and protect. Moisturizer, lightweight hydration to keep your skin soft. Sunscreen, SPF 30+. The most important step, protects from premature aging and sun damage. Your night routine is all about renewal. Follow these steps. Double cleanse. First, use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, then a gentle cleanser to wash away residue. Toner, hydrating or exfoliating, depending on your skin's needs. Treatment serums such as retinol, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide. Moisturizer. A richer cream locks in hydration overnight. Eye cream optional but helps reduce puffiness and dark circles. To customize your routine: oily skin, use lightweight oil-free products. Dry skin, go for creamy, deeply hydrating formulas. Sensitive skin, stick to fragrance-free, gentle ingredients. Skincare isn't just a routine, it's self-care. Follow these steps consistently and your skin will thank you.